Hello, and welcome back to your English learning journey. This is lesson 15 of our complete English conversation course, and today, we're going to the airport. Airports are busy, exciting places full of people, announcements, and travel dreams. You need English everywhere there. At the check-in counter, security, immigration, boarding gate, and on the airplane. In this lesson, you'll learn how to check in for your flight, ask for directions inside the airport, go through security, talk to airline staff and customs officers, handle flight delays, board your plane with confidence. So, fasten your seatbelt, and let's take off into real-life travel English at the airport. Part 1. Checking in for your flight. Let's begin at the check-in counter. Common questions at the check-in counter. Airline staff: good morning. May I see your passport, please? Do you have any bags to check in? Would you like a window or aisle seat? Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is B12. You passenger: good morning. Here's my passport and ticket. Yes, I have one bag to check in. I'd prefer a window seat, please. Thank you very much. Useful phrases. English phrase, meaning usage: I'm flying to London today. Use this to state your destination. My flight number is BA215. Tell them your flight details. I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag. Mention your luggage. Could you please tag it as fragile? When carrying something delicate, what time is boarding? Ask about boarding time. Mini practice dialogue. Agent: good afternoon. Where are you flying today? You to Dubai. Here's my passport. Agent: great. Do you have any bags to check in? You: yes, one suitcase. Agent: perfect. Please place it on the scale. You: sure, agent. Your boarding pass and gate number are printed here. Boarding starts at 10:30. You: thank you. Part 2. Going through security after check-in. It's time for security check. Security officer may say, please remove your laptop from your bag. Take off your shoes and belt, please. Do you have any liquids or electronics? Step through the scanner, please. You can say, okay, here's my laptop. No, I don't have any liquids. Should I take off my jacket? Thank you. Tips: keep your passport and boarding pass ready. Don't carry liquids over 100 milliliters. Be polite and calm. Airport staff are there to help you. Part 3. Immigration and passport control. Now you'll meet the immigration officer. Officer might ask, what is the purpose of your trip? How long will you stay? Where will you be staying? Do you have a return ticket? You might reply, I'm traveling for vacation. I'll stay for 2 weeks. I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel. Yes, here's my return ticket. Key vocabulary word meaning immigration. The border control process for entering or leaving a country. Visa. An official travel permit. Arrival card. A small form you fill before entering a country. Customs, where your bags may be checked for restricted items. Part 4. Inside the airport after security. You can relax, eat, or shop before boarding. Useful phrases. Where is gate C7, please? Is there a cafe nearby? How much is this sandwich? Can I pay by card? What time does the flight start? Boarding. Shopping at the duty-free store. You: how much is this perfume? Cashier: it's $50. You: okay, I'll take it. Can I use my card? Cashier: yes, of course. Duty-free shops are popular because they offer tax-free prices for travelers. Part 5. Flight delays or gate changes. Sometimes flights get delayed or gates change. Here's how you can handle those situations in English. Example phrases: excuse me, has the gate for flight 812 changed? Is the flight on time? My flight was delayed. What should I do? Will I miss my connection? Conversation. Example: you: excuse me, my flight to Paris was supposed to board at gate A3, but it's not showing. Staff: let me check. It's been moved to gate A7, and boarding will start at 11:15. You: thank you very much. Part 6. Boarding the plane. Now you're ready to board. Typical announcements. Passengers of Flight 425 to Istanbul, please proceed to Gate 14. Now boarding passengers in rows 20 to 30. Final call for Flight 512 to Toronto. You can say, "Excuse me, is this the line for Flight 425? Can I board now? Thank you. Have a nice day." When you enter the plane, the flight attendants greet you. Flight attendant, welcome aboard. You, thank you. Part 7. On the plane talking to flight attendants. Could I have a blanket, please? Can I get some water? Where is my seat? Could you help me with my bag? When will we land? Example dialogue. You, excuse me, could I have some water, please? Flight attendant, of course, still or sparkling. You, still, please, thank you. In-flight announcements, please fasten your seatbelts. We will be landing shortly. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off. Part 8. Arrival and customs. You've landed. Welcome to your destination. At immigration, good evening. May I see your passport, please? What is the purpose of your visit? How long are you staying? You, I'm here for a business conference. I'll stay for 1 week. At baggage claim, where can I collect my luggage? My bag hasn't arrived. What should I do? My luggage is damaged. Airline staff, please fill out this form, and we'll locate your bag. At customs, do you have anything to declare? No, nothing to declare. Part 9. Vocabulary review. Word, phrase, meaning boarding pass. A ticket that lets you enter the airplane check-in counter, where you register before your flight. Carry-on bag. A small bag you take inside the plane gate. The waiting area before you board. Security check, where bags are scanned. Immigration. Passport check for entry. Exit customs. Bag inspection area. Flight attendant. A person who helps passengers on the plane. Part 10. Practice section. Repeat after me. Let's practice pronunciation and fluency. Repeat after me slowly. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight. Where is gate B12? Can I please have a window seat? Excuse me, my flight is delayed. Could I have some water, please? Where can I collect my luggage? Nothing to declare. Repeat these sentences 3 times for clear pronunciation and confidence. Part 11. Real-life example. Complete airport conversation. Agent, good evening. May I see your passport and ticket? You, here you go. I'm flying to New York. Agent, thank you. Any bags to check in? You, just one. Agent, great. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight boards at 9:30 from gate A2. You, thank you. At security. Officer, please take your laptop out of your bag. You, sure. Here it is. At immigration officer, what's the purpose of your trip? You, tourism. I'm visiting my family. Officer, how long will you stay? You, 2 weeks. At the gate staff, now boarding rows 15 to 25. You, that's my row. Thank you. Inside the plane. Flight attendant, welcome aboard. You, thank you. You did it. Your English airport journey is complete. Part 12. Summary and homework. Today you learned check-in and boarding phrases. Asking for directions inside the airport, talking to security and immigration officers, handling delays, on-board conversations. Arrival and customs vocabulary, homework practice. Write your own short dialogue, 10 to 15 lines of an airport experience, from check-in to arrival. Then, practice speaking it aloud, like a real traveler. Conclusion, excellent work today. UVA mastered one of the most important real-life English topics. Travel English at the airport. In the next lesson, Lesson 16, we'll go even further at the hotel, checking in, asking for services, and handling problems. So, stay tuned and keep practicing every day, because the more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Thank you for learning with us, and until next time, safe travels and happy learning.